Okay, so we are currently in Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we saved. Can you show what you did in Instagram? Actually, start at the beginning.
Took a screenshot.
So we're in,
Save it to your.
so we're Instagram. We saved a screenshot. How did you get in? Is this already in Huedoku?
Yeah.
So you're on the wall, okay?
Logged in.
You go to the pictures. You start it.
I think it automatically chooses some
Colors, base colors, and you can change it if you want. You can see how you have the target up there, right? It's cool. I like that feature.
Oh, that's fun.
A little like periscope, because it's hard to see where you're putting it, but this thing up front is like a little periscope thing. Maybe it should be bigger.
I think you should also be able to go back to the standard, you know? At the beginning it chooses out certain colors for you.
Okay, so point. When creating a puzzle with your own photo, ability to revert back to the default colors chosen. Description. When you're in the puzzle creating your photo, sometimes you don't get the colors you like and you want to revert back to the ones that were originally provided as a default. Allow for that. Okay?
What's this? I think that's the name of the color. So if you change it around, it'll... You also be able to like change the order of these, or that probably not, right? Because that's like the hue part.
So point. The size choices are clear, but the difficulty choices aren't. Description. When users creating a puzzle from their own photo, changing different sizes is very cool because you see it in front of your eyes. But level of difficulty, it's hard to know. What is a 2 and a 3?
You see the difference? One has this, 2 has this.
Okay, so 2's missing the arrows.
So this is how you post it. Yeah. So you'd post it like this, and then you'd click and scramble. But with 3, it would be posted already scrambled. So you don't know what the end target is.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I think this should also be like clarified in a tutorial at the beginning, what exactly the difficulties are.
Okay, so point. Level of difficulties are a little hard to catch, understandably wise. And so, description. When the user is creating a new puzzle, for level of difficulty, maybe there needs to be a video instruction demo. Or there could be some, like what about the ones, remember how some of them have like a diagram up top that shows you which ones are in the right place? And so what is so that's a question. Why doesn't the level of difficulty choice show the square table up top that you may have? Also, you could have a corner indicator on or off thing somewhere on this page so that you could see that it was off as you got to difficulty 2. You could also do the same thing for the palette up top. And then down below, it's not clear. Like this is where, Leora, like this is where it says public, private, right? Private, public. But this is where you'd want to also be able to say your friends, right? So you could make it public, which is everyone in the world, or you could make it private, but you could have a checkbox that says like share with my friends.
But is it private your friends?
Yeah, then it would be private with your friends. Or but basically there needs to be some middle option where it's not completely public. And
I mean private for yourself. I thought private with your group of friends.
Oh, is that private with your group of friends?
Probably. Well,
that's true. That would make more sense because if you have friends that you've defined inside Huedoku, then you would want to private then probably would be with those friends. Maybe you would want to So that's a question. So point. When creating a new photo, the ability to choose making it public, making the puzzle private to your group of friends, or private to only yourself. Are those the three options? And what behavior would make that the easiest to manage? Also, if it was, you should probably have ability to see what friends are on your list from here, where you can click pop a button or logo, and it pops up and you can see who your current followers are. Or maybe when you're creating this thing, you have a list of people you're